Our clients are not necessarily asking for smart home technology, but they are using it. They all have a Ring doorbell, a Nest thermostat, they have an Amazon Echo, and to be able to tell them, I can take you and show you a Pulte home where this is pre-wired, because when they got all these features, they probably struggled to implement them. Some of them did, they're not all tech savvy. So to be able to say, you're gonna get a brand new home, it's gonna be pre-wired, and somebody's gonna come help you do the installation, the implementation, I think they're gonna love that, and it'll be a great selling point, especially for the Pulte homes.